It's a setback for Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court registry has refused to list the plea. The extension of the Chief Minister's interim plea has now been denied. According to the Supreme Court registry, Kejriwal's plea is not maintainable. Let's go across to legal editor Harish Nair joining us on the broadcast. Harish, this is a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal, who was seeking an extension of interim plea by 7 days.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. It comes as a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal as the Supreme Court registry has refused to list for hearing his petition seeking an extension of interim bail by 7 days on health grounds. He had said that he needs to get done very serious diagnostic and health investigation test. But the Supreme Court registry has said that his petition is not maintainable because while giving interim bail on May 10th, the bench led by Justice Sanjeev Khanna had said he has to surrender on June 2. His interim bail is till June 1st. And for any further relief like bail or any other relief, he has to approach the trial court, and Supreme Court will not entertain any further application in this regard. So citing that, the Supreme Court registry has said that his petition is not maintainable, and now the only option for Kejriwal is to approach the lower court, but it's highly unlikely that but we'll have to wait and watch whether the Kejriwal gets any relief from the lower court, but it's highly unlikely that the lower court will extend an interim bail granted by the Supreme Court. But now let's see, even time is running out for Kejriwal because on Saturday his bail expires and on Sunday he has to surrender. Remember yesterday when he mentioned the matter before the vacation bench of Justices J.K. Maheshwari and K.V. Viswanathan, the bench had said that on grounds of propriety, Kejriwal, this matter should be decided by the Chief Justice, whether his application should be listed today. But today, the morning, the news coming in is that the registry has said that his petition is not maintainable because
so the plea is not maintainable, and Arvind Kejriwal had, of course, sought extension on health grounds, saying he needs to undergo medical tests. Harish, stay with us because political reactions have started coming in. The BJP is taking a jibe at Arvind Kejriwal after the Supreme Court registry says that the plea by the Delhi Chief Minister is not maintainable.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो जमानत अर्जी एक्सटेंशन की लगाई थी उसको सुनवाई से इनकार कर दिया। मानयोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि इनके पास कोई अधिकार नहीं है, इनको केवल और केवल इलेक्शन के लिए प्रचार करने के लिए एक विशेष कारण से जमानत मिली थी, मोहलत मिली थी और 2 तारीख को उनको सरेंडर करना है, इसलिए किसी भी तरीके की और एक्सटेंशन कोर्ट ने देने से इनकार किया। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कभी ड्रामा कर रहे थे मैं बीमार हूं, कभी नौटंकी करते थे मैंने टेस्ट कराने हैं, सारा दिन अच्छा भला प्रचार करते हैं, लेकिन जेल की बारी आने की बारी आती है तो बीमार हो जाते हैं। इसलिए मैं मानता हूं कि आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्पष्ट कर दिया कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी शराब घोटाले के मुख्य दोषी हैं, चुनाव के लिए बाहर आए थे, वापस उनको जेल जाना होगा और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ना केवल ट्रायल के दौरान जेल रहेंगे, मुझे विश्वास है ट्रायल के बाद उनकी कन्विक्शन भी होगी और उनको सेंटेंस भी होगी और लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग चीफ मिनिस्टर जो कहते थे मैं पहली बार गया हूं, ये जेल के अंदर सजा भुगतने वाले चीफ मिनिस्टर भी बनेंगे।
As Kejriwal had petitioned the Supreme Court, the BJP had also said that this is nothing but nautanki, saying the Chief Minister has been campaigning extensively. Now suddenly when he has to file a petition in the court, he says he is
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.